Today I'll be using the Anastasia Riviera Palette to create this bright purple smoky halo eye. I'll also be trying out some new techniques, so let's see how it goes. After priming and setting the eye, I'm first packing Canes all over the lid and crease, which is a matte, warm purple. Usually I slowly build up my colors, going from lightest to darkest. But I heard that when working with bright colors, it's best to start heavy and blend later. I think this stippling technique is especially going to help when working with Canes, because as you can see, it does get kind of patchy when you try to blend it out. But that's pretty typical of purples, and for a purple, this is looking beautiful. So after softening the edges a little, just go back in with more Canes to fix any patchiness. I'm also packing it all along the lower lash line, which is another new technique for me. Usually I do the whole upper lid first, but today is a day of experimentation. Next I'm layering Monte Carlo, a matte medium pink over the edges of the purple. Flipping to the fluffy side of the brush, I'm softly blending those shades together and smoking out the edges. Then do the same thing on the lower lid, being sure to connect everything together. It might look a little crazy right now, but don't panic. I'm diffusing the edges with Estate, a soft peach with a subtle satin finish. This is going to help these bright colors transition into my natural skin tone. Since we just did a lot of blending, I'm going back in with Canes again to fix any patchiness. This would make a great smoky eye right now, but let's keep going to make this into a halo eye. I'm packing Mediterranean onto the center of my lid using my finger, or you can use a wet brush. This is actually a metallic faded sky blue, but the cool thing about layering is that when you place it on top of Canes, it suddenly becomes this gorgeous purple shade. Next, I'm highlighting the very center of the lid with Seaside. This is listed as a duochrome silver with a subtle blue shift on the Anastasia website, but I don't know what they're talking about. That shift is lavender. Anyway, do the same thing on the lower lid, starting with Mediterranean and then highlighting with Seaside. I'm going back in with Canes one last time to deepen the corners and clean up any glitter. If you happen to own a purple eyeliner, now is finally the time to use it. I'm highlighting the inner corner with Seaside, but if you feel there's already plenty of purple glitter on your face, you can use Sails instead, which is the matte white that I'm using to highlight the brow bone. And that's it. Finish off the look with some mascara and you're done. I still have a lot of looks using this palette planned, so please subscribe if you want to see more. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter, where I post sneak peeks and updates. Feel free to let me know what you think of this look and request any looks you'd like to see. Thanks for watching! You can find a product list in the description box below.